guys, welcome back to a new video. Now today we are going to talk about the radius and ulna. Radius, so basically radius, this is the anatomical position this way, and the radius, so it has a head over here, neck, then radial tuberosity, then anterior oblique line over here, then uterine foramen, then rough area of pronator teres over here, then this is the anterior surface, then interosseous medial border, then this is sharp line, you can see this is the medial border, this goes inside, and then this is the anterior surface, and then this is the sharp anterior border over here, then the epiphyseal line goes here, the sharp anterior border over here. Then going behind over here is the epiphyseal notch. Over here is the head of radius. This is the radial tuberosity again, posterior oblique line. Then rough area of pronator teres again over here, this comes here. And then this is basically hand and pronation. This is supination. Then posterior border. Then over here is the posterior border. Then over here is the lateral surface. Then posterior surface, then this is the second groove over here. The first groove is the styloid process, this one over here, the styloid process over here. Yeah, that's just for the radius. And next we talk about the ulna. This is the ulna, this is the anatomical position, then this is the olecranon process over here. This is the trochlear notch, these two. Then this is the ulnar tuberosity, this is the anterior border over here, uterine foramen is somewhere over here. And then this is the interosseous lateral border, this is that sharp line, this goes laterally, and this is in supination. Then anterior surface, the head of ulna, this is the styloid process, this one. Process. Then going into pronation, this is the olecranon process over here, olecranon process, hold this. Then medial surface, this is the posterior surface, then interosseous lateral border, posterior border, then this is the epiphyseal line, this is the head of ulna, and yeah, it's the shallow process, this one over here, the shallow process. Yeah, this goes somewhat like this. It's like this. There is another of the right arm. This is the right forearm. Like this goes. Yep, it goes like this. And I'll show the left one. So the left one goes like this. This is the left one. This is the left one. Yeah. Here you go. This is the left one. Yeah. This is the left one, right, and the left. So I'll put it over here. The right and the left. Okay. Right, and the left. Right, left. That's it for today, guys. If you love the video, make sure to press that like button, share it with your friends as much as you can, and press the subscribe button as well, and put the bell notification on. If you don't put the bell notification on, you won't be receiving my notifications of going to Premiere. I put videos every day at 8 p.m. So goodbye, take care, see you guys, stay healthy, stay safe, God bless you, goodbye.